Trying out my new camcorder. This is a Cleveland Paranormal 1080 HD infrared with full spectrum camera. It's brand new, just got it. Just trying it out. This is the stock infrared light that's on the front. In pitch darkness. It's not too bad for the stock light. But I have a Polaroid IR light. I just mounted on it. Let's try that. That's a big difference, isn't it? It's a major difference. It's with the Polaroid light. Without it. I must say it's pretty nice. Trying a different room here. This room it's over 20 feet long from here to the door that you see. It's a good 25 feet from end to end. You might be able to see my dogs laying on the couch. They sack out on the couch. This with the Polaroid IR light. That's without the Polaroid light. That's a major difference. Polaroid lights, it was $30 some odd. That's worth the money, 25 feet. See if you can see me at the other end. It's pitch dark in here. Like I said, it's a good 25 feet. It's over 20 feet, easy 25 feet. Well, I think this is a good test of the new light in the camera. Thank you for watching.